Stan Gibilisco here with an explanation for the answer to final exam question number 25 on page 666 of Teach Yourself Electricity and Electronics 5th edition. Here's how the question reads. If we want a bipolar transistor to conduct DC between the emitter and the collector in the absence of any AC input signal, with the ultimate intent of using the device as a Class A, AB1, or AB2 amplifier, which of the following things should we do? And then we have a bunch of choices as to how to deal with the emitter-base junction. Well, we're allowed to cheat now because we're explaining the answer. You're not supposed to look at the text when you're taking the test, but we can sure do it now. If you refer back to pages 407 to 410, you will find some explanations of how to obtain various classes of amplifier operation with a bipolar transistor. There's figure 24-1, which shows a basic amplifier circuit. The field effect transistor is not relevant here. Figure 24-3 shows us the classes of amplifier operation, and you can see here that if you want to obtain Class A or AB operation, you want to have current flowing at the base. That means that you want the emitter-base junction to conduct. Here's a better diagram of that generic bipolar transistor amplifier. In this case it uses an NPN device. If it were PNP, you would simply reverse the polarity of the power supply, otherwise everything else would stay the same. Resistors R sub 2 and R sub 3 determine the bias between the emitter and the base, that is, whether or not that junction is going to conduct. You want it to conduct. In order to get that junction to conduct, you have to bias it in the forward direction beyond the forward breakover point, so that it's like a diode between the emitter and the base, and you want that diode to conduct. It means you have to bias it past forward breakover. So the correct answer to this question is E, as in echo. Stan Gibilisco out.